Hello guys, today we are showing how to change brake pad in Tata Safari BS6. At first you have to press the caliper. After pressing the caliper you have to open this 16 mm nut, a bolt, then open it. You have to press this outside and it will get open. Then saw that which is inside and which pad is outside. This is outside inside pad. Here is a clip. You have to push this clip for fit. At first fit the down side, then align it and push this get fitted. This is the lock and you have to press this. You have to press this lock like this and push it inside and it is complete.